Do you want to get paid in free PayPal money like this? $340, $214, and $403 every day from your phone. If so, stay tuned until the conclusion of the video because I will show you a new app that pays you $20 every 5 minutes. However, you must watch the full video because there is one crucial step that you must perform if you want to get paid in a similar manner as these payouts. This program is completely free and available from anywhere on the earth. So, regardless of where you're from, you may use this software to make $20 every 5 minutes over and over. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. First of all, I would want you to go to this website, g2.com, because they offer a variety of software right here on this page, and as you can see, people have rated all of these applications from 1 to 5 stars. So, by posting simple ratings on this site such as these, you may make money over and over again. And don't worry, it is actually a lot easier and less involved than you think. But there's a catch. As I previously indicated, there are important procedures to take, and I will show you how to do it with a few real-life instances. If you don't follow my directions, you may end up with nothing at all. This is crucial because we will not be engaging in any surveys or offers today. Instead, we will write a software review and subsequently receive money. All you have to do now is scroll down and look at the section that says Write a Review. As previously indicated, you will just write a review and assign a rating, but first, you must make a free account on g2.com. To do so, simply click this button which will take you to this page where you may sign in or create a free account. You may sign up using your LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google account, or you can use your business email address if you have one. It is extremely simple. Okay, now that you have created a free account, you can begin evaluating software and, of course, earning money. So just click this link and it will take you to this page. As you can see, there are several stages to complete. The first step is to choose a piece of software or a product to rate. The second step is to leave a very simple review. The third step is to share it with others. And that is it. You will be able to make $20 every 5 minutes over and over again. But of course, before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a huge thumbs up if you like the video so far. If you found this video interesting and instructive, please do leave a comment below. Now, I will teach you how to accomplish everything you desire. The first step is to find and choose the software for which you want to leave a review. As you can see, there are many different types of software to choose from, including advertising, e-commerce, finance and accounting, business operations, software development, design, and customer support. So, if you want to evaluate a piece of software in the software development category, all you have to do is click on it and you will be sent to this page where you may search for software in the software development category. If you go down from here, you will see a variety of applications and products for which you can simply provide ratings and earn money. And there is no limit to how much money you can make. The best part is that writing a full review will only take you a few minutes and you can do it as many times as you want. Well, there are a lot of software options here, so I will go with Skype. I am sure you all know what Skype is, but if you don't, it is a free program that allows you to make video and group conversations. However, go through these programs and pick one that you enjoy. Once you've decided on a program, simply click on it and then proceed straight here. This is what you will see here on this page when you have done that. Simply click on review to see the software you have chosen, which in this case is Skype. And let's go on to step number 2, which is really significant since we are about to write a Skype review. Pay great attention to this section once more because it is crucial. First, they ask us how likely we are to suggest Skype to a friend or colleague. You have a range of options from 0, which is unlikely, to 10, which is extremely probable. I have used Skype previously and think it is fairly decent, so I will go with 9. Now let's go on to the next step, which is to write a title for our review. And for those of you who are still watching this video, I have an extra tip for you. If you search for Skype Reviews G2 on Google, you will find this link right here. Simply click on it, and on this page, we can see what other people have said about Skype. Scroll down a little bit, and right here are other people's reviews. If you read these reviews, you will be inspired to write your own review. Now, very importantly, do not simply copy and paste a review from someone else's work or review, because if you do, your review will not be accepted and you will not make any money at all. Instead, browse these reviews for ideas and inspiration. As a result, I'll provide this title: Great Software for Online Meetings. You can also give a title like that. And moving on to the following question, what do you like best? And then, what do you detest the most? So, if we go back to this page, we can see what do you like best, which is what this person likes about Skype, and what do you dislike, which is what this person dislikes about Skype. Exactly like you want to express what are the things you like and don't like about it. So, what is it about Skype that you enjoy the most? This is what I came up with. I choose Skype since practically everyone has it, and it is the most extensively used business and personal communication tool. You have normal options like sharing audio and video files, but you also have screen share, which is great for explaining things without getting bogged down in the intricacies. And due to Skype, I can make calls from anywhere I want, and I'm confident that this will have no effect on the quality of the connection. So that's one of the things I appreciate about it. Next, we must write on my computer what we dislike about Skype. I have noticed that while Skype is operating, it consumes a lot of RAM. Skype uses more memory than any other video conferencing program. Apart from that, I have enjoyed using Skype. As you can see, this is a really straightforward and quick process. And now we can go on to the following question, which is, what difficulties are you tackling with Skype and what advantages have you realized? Communication is easier, and since the majority of people have Skype, speaking and interacting are simple. There are a few more questions you must answer after that. I am not going to show you every single one since the next questions are actually rather simple. Once you've answered all of the questions, click I agree with the statement above and then submit. It is that simple and straightforward all over the world, and anyone can do it over and over again. So that is how you can earn $20 every 5 minutes with the new software. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.